So for this next video, we want to keep in the back of our mind that a very foundational component of flow, our set rate, and our inspiratory time are all interconnected. So if our patient triggers a breath at, say, 15 per minute, and they have a very forceful, strong pull, strong drive to breathe, they're going to have an increased flow. So if they have an increased flow, and we are in a pressure control mode, and we have a set I time and a set rate, our flow is the only variable that can change. So with a patient with a strong drive to breathe, we are going to see an increase in our tidal volume. So increased flow will increase our tidal volume. We were at about 710 on our set rate of 10, and now we're about 770 mils, 800, 860 there. So if we stop triggering this and we let it go back to our set rate of 10, and we adjust our I time to be a 1-to-1 ratio versus a 1-to-5 ratio, again, what can change? Our rate will be at a rate of 10, that's set. Our I time will now be at 3 seconds, so we get that 1-to-1 ratio. The only variable that can change will be our flow. So we have a longer amount of time in which to meet the pressure that we have set, which is an inspiratory pressure of 15. So will our tidal volume go down or will it go up? Well, because we have a longer time, our flow will decrease, and thus decreasing our tidal volume. So if you look, we are at a tidal volume now of 660 mils, whereas that set rate we were at about 710. Our spontaneous rate, we were at about 800 mils. So if we change our flow, we change our tidal volume. If we change our flow by changing our inspiratory time or by changing our rate, our tidal volume will still change.